This 5-minute solution will show you how to sign out from Google Play Store. Follow these easy steps to log out from your Google Play Store on Android. First of all, go to your phone settings, scroll down, tap on Accounts and Backup, tap on Manage Accounts, tap on your Google account, tap on remove account, tap on OK, verify, and now I'm going to open my Play Store, and as you can see, I've successfully signed out from my Google Play Store. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.